Good morning, students. How are you? I think all of you are fine and safe at home. We know your school is closed for a long time for COVID-19. So, I have brought your class to you through the page of Ghore Boshe Shikhi. Today, I am here for the students of class 1. Let me introduce me first. I am Nivedita Bagchi. I have been working as an assistant teacher at Dumuria Gov Primary School in Chitolmari, Bagherhat. Before going to start our class, we need to refresh ourselves, is not it? So, let's enjoy a greeting song. Students, I think you have enjoyed the greeting song. In the previous classes, we have learned some letters, is not it? Now we will play a game with the letter that you have learned in the previous classes. Okay, so let's play a game. I am telling the instruction. I will show you some words with picture and you have to say which letter come first for the word. আমি প্রথমে তোমাদের ছবি সহ কিছু শব্দ দেখাবো, ছবি আসবে, একটা ছবি আসবে, তারপরে কিছু শব্দ আসবে and you have to say, তোমাদের বলতে হবে যে এই ওয়ার্ডটা কোন লেটার দিয়ে শুরু হয়েছে. So let's play the game. Look at the picture. What's this? It's a fish. It's a fish. Can you tell me which letter come first for the word fish? Okay, it's, yes, tell me, it's F. Yes, very good, it's F. Now we will go for next word, next picture. What's this? Look at the picture. This is an ox. This is an ox. So can you tell me which letter come first for the word ox? It's O. Yes, it's O. Very good. Now we will go for next word. These are cats. These are cats. You know, these are cats. So can you tell me which letter come first for the word cat? It is C. Yes, it is C. Then the next picture. What's this? It's a goat. It's a goat. And tell me the first letter for the word goat. গোট লেখার জন্য প্রথমে কোন বর্ণটি লাগে আমাদের? G. আমরা প্রথমে G দিয়ে শুরু করি গোট লেখা. It's G. Then we will go for next word. What's this? This is a moon. This is a moon. Yes. So moon লেখার জন্য প্রথমে কোন লেটারটি আসবে? প্রথমে কোন লেটারটি দিয়ে শুরু হবে? It's M. Yes, it's M. Very good. Now Take your book and open at page 41. Today we will learn a new letter. Look at the picture. What is this? You all have this instrument in your bag, is not it? You write something with it. What's this? Can you tell me? Yes, it's a pencil. It's a pencil. It's a pencil. So, can you guess which letter we learn today? Today we will learn P. This is P. This is P. Say with me, P. P. This letter is P. This is capital P. We have two types of P, capital P and a small p. This is small p. This is a small p. Say with me, this is P. And its sound is P. 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 Capital P and small p. And its sound is P. Pencil. P. Pig. P. Pepper. P. Its sound is P. P. Pumpkin. Purple. Okay. Its sound is P. P. This is P and its sound is P. Pencil. Paper. Okay. Now we will learn how to write P. At first we will trace in the year. In the previous classes আমরা কি গত ক্লাসে আমরা কি করছি, শূন্য দাগ দিয়ে দিকে শিখছি না, বাতাসে শূন্য দাগ দিয়ে দিয়ে আমরা কিভাবে লেটার লিখতে সেগুলো শিখছি। তো আজকেও আমরা একইভাবে শিখবো। তো প্রথমে তোমরা আমাকে ফলো করবে, দেখবে আমি কিভাবে শূন্য দাগ দিই, তোমরা প্রথমে সেটা দেখবে, তারপরে তোমরা নিজেরা করবে। ওকে, সো নাও লেটস গো হাউ টু রাইট P. I will trace in the air and you will follow me. Okay students, now we will see how to write P. At first we will try to write capital P. We use capital P to write any other's name. কোনো নাম লেখার ক্ষেত্রে আমরা capital P ইউজ করি, আর বাকি সব ক্ষেত্রে আমরা small p ইউজ করি। না, এখন আমরা কি শিখব? capital P. So look at me. Straight down, then round to the middle. Straight down, then round to the middle. Straight down, then round to the middle. প্রথমে আমরা সোজা দাগ দিয়ে নিচে নামবো, তারপরে প্রথমে আমরা কি করব, সোজা দাগ দিয়ে যে straight down, সোজা নামবো, নিচে নামবো, then round to the middle, মাঝখান পর্যন্ত গোল করে এসে মিশিয়ে দেব। ওকে, straight down, then round to the middle. Now we will learn a small p. So look at me. Straight down, then round to the middle. Straight down, then round to the middle. Students, take your exercise book and try to write it. Look at the board. We write in our exercise book and there are 4 lines in our exercise book. 1, 2, 3, 4. যখন আমরা ক্যাপিটাল P লিখতে যাব তখন আমরা from the top of the lines প্রথমে উপর থেকে শুরু করব। উপর থেকে শুরু করে এই থার্ড দাগে নিচ পর্যন্ত আসব। Then we will round it from to the middle. Round it to the middle. Top of the lines, straight down, then round it to the middle. This is capital P. And small p এর ক্ষেত্রে আমরা কি করি, একটা দাগ বাদ দিয়ে, এই যে উপরের দাগটা বাদ দিয়ে এই যে নিচের দাগ, তারপরের দাগ থেকে শুরু করে শেষ পর্যন্ত নিয়ে যাই। এই যে এটা বাদ দিয়ে নিচের এই যে মিডলের থেকে, এটা থেকে শুরু করব, তারপরে এভাবে। ওকে, লাইক দিস, মাঝখানের দাগ থেকে শুরু হয়ে শেষ পর্যন্ত হবে। দিস ইজ ক্যাপিটাল P and this is small p. Also again, now we will see how to write P. Look at the board. Straight down, round to the middle. Once again, straight down, then round to the middle. This is capital P. Again, also again, straight down, then round to the middle. It's very easy, is not it? Now we will see small p. In the same way, straight down, then round to the middle. Straight down, then round to the middle. I will show it once again. Look at the board. Straight down, then round to the middle. So do it at your exercise book. Write in your exercise book. Students, today we have learned how to write P. So এখন কি আমরা P লিখতে পারবো সবাই? সবাই কি P লিখতে পারবো? Yes, it's very easy. This is capital P and this is a small p. P, its sound is P. This is capital P and this is a small p. এর সাউন্ডটা কি আমরা বলতে পারবো? সাউন্ড হচ্ছে P. P দিয়ে আমরা যেমন ধরো যদি বলি পেন্সিল, P. P for pen, P for pan, P for pineapple, P for panda. Okay, P. This is P and its sound is P. 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 And this is capital P and this is a small p. Look at the difference. The difference is capital P start from the top of the lines and end in third row, and small p starts with the second row and ends at the bottom of the line. This is the difference of capital P. This is capital P and this is small p. The difference is this capital P starts with the top of the lines and a small p starts with the second line. Okay, so you will practice more and more at home, then you will write P correctly, and you will practice more and more words for the sound P. P. P for panda, P for panda, P for pan, P for pan, P for parrot, P for parrot, P for pineapple, P for pineapple. Dear students, today we have learned how to write P, and you will practice more and more at home, then you will write the P correctly. Next time we will learn another letter from the alphabet. So now it's time to say goodbye. Thank you all. Stay home and stay safe. Bye bye.